Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Realme phone running Android 10 or newer, the official YouTube app, and system updates applied. Open settings and go straight to Smart Sidebar or Floating Window settings. Enable them now so the system can host app overlays. You allow necessary permissions when prompted, draw over apps, notifications, and accessibility if required, because without those permissions, the floating window won't function. Once done, return to YouTube to prepare the next step. You play a YouTube video, then trigger the floating tool. Swipe the Smart Sidebar and drag the YouTube icon to float, or open recent apps and tap the float/split icon if Realme shows it. This creates a small resizable overlay. You pinch the corners or drag edges to change size and use the top handle to move it. Do this because floating keeps the video visible while you use other apps. Make sure to test play/pause and seek controls to confirm overlay. You finalize by positioning and, if available, locking or pinning the floating window so accidental taps don't close it. If the float doesn't appear, check Settings App Special Access Draw over other apps and disable battery optimization for YouTube. These two blocks are the most common causes. If permissions were changed, restart the phone to apply them. Once restarted, reopen YouTube, play a video, and recreate the float. The overlay should work consistently now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.